Stop by and take a look at the 2019 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.